Hello, learners. Today I'm going to discuss the topic sentences. Sentence formation plays an important role while writing, speaking, and listening to anything in English. Because if we would be having a deep knowledge about how to make sentences, then we can become a good speaker or even get good marks in our examinations. So, let's move on to its meaning. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense or meaning. That means anything which is to be said or in written form having proper meaning is a sentence. For example, Ram goes to school. In this sentence, noun Ram is used along with the verb go. Now, go is in the present indefinite tense, that is, goes. This is correct because it is a meaningful sentence. Other sentences are may you live long, what a beautiful picture it is, and where are you going? Now, moving to the parts of a sentence, each sentence can be divided into two parts, the subject and the predicate. Where subject is the name of a person, place, or a thing means the nouns or pronouns used in a sentence. Whereas predicate is that part which tells what is said about the subject or the work done in the sentence. Here subject is the name of a person, place or thing. It may consist a single word or a group of words. It can be used in many ways like as a noun. Sita is singing a song. Here Sita is a noun and she is singing a song. Or it can be used as a pronoun. And the sentence is he is my best friend. Here he is the person who is my best friend. Second part of sentence is predicate. Predicate is that part which tells us what is said about the subject. The most important part in predicate is the finite verb. Finite verb is a verb which is limited by person and number. For example, he goes to school. I go to the school. They go to school. Let's move on to the types of sentences. There are five types of sentences: assertive or declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. First type is assertive sentences. An assertive sentence is a sentence that states a fact. Such sentences are simple statements. They state, assert, or declare something. Now, these are of two types: affirmative, or you can say positive sentences. For example, Sita sings a song. Second one is negative sentences. For example, Sita does not sing a song. Second type of sentences is interrogative sentence, a sentence which asks a question or inquires about something. It is of two types: the sentence which begins with helping verbs, for example, does Sita sing a song? Another one is which begins with question words, that is, WH type of words. For example, how are you? Third type of sentences are imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those which expresses an order, a request, or some advice or proposal. Like as an order, get out of the class. As a request, please show me your new watch. As an advice, respect your elders. And lastly, proposal, let us go home. Next type is exclamatory sentence, a sentence which expresses strong or sudden feeling loudly. For example, what a beautiful picture it is. Hooray, we have won this match. And how sad it is. And the last type is optative sentence. It is a type of sentence which expresses a wish or a desire. For example, may you live long. If I were the Prime Minister of India. Okay, there is an interesting thing about sentences that there are other type of sentences that can be formed, for example phrases. Now phrases are the group of words which acts as a noun, adjective or adverb in a sentence. It does not contain a finite verb, but it may contain an infinite or non finite verb which may be general or participle. For example, this writer was a man of great wealth. He was a young man of great promise. It was a scene of great beauty. Now we should know the difference between sentence and phrases. The phrase is a group of words that does not express a complete thought, whereas the sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought. Secondly, phrase does not have a subject or predicate or both, while on the other hand, a sentence has both subject and predicate. Next difference between both is that phrase does not give complete information about subject or predicate and sentence gives complete information about both. Lastly, the phrase does not begin with capital letter and end with punctuation mark, while the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. That's it all about this topic. Thank you everyone.